Manas AI, Manas AI, Manas AI. Like it's been a month now, people are talking about the Manas AI all over the YouTube. It's definitely not possible that you never heard about this tool if you are interested in the AI. Okay, but people are talking all over the Manas AI. This it can do this, it can do that. But in this video, I am going to talk to you about how you can use Manas AI to grow your business. If you are a business owner, if you are a coach, how you can use Manas AI to get more insights for your business, to generate more results, more clients for your business, to save your time, right, and scale faster. All right. So let's see how you can do that. How Manas AI can actually help you with those tools. So simply go on the manas.im, all right, to open this Manas AI site. If you haven't registered for this tool yet, click on get started and register right now. Maybe you will get the invitation email. I'm still waiting for that. Some people already get, but let's see when, but still apply for it. Maybe you will get before me. All right. So let's see what actually it can do. They have a lot of different use cases already mentioned here. All right, like you can generate the trip plan, you can generate the deeply analyze the stocks, you can interact the course momentum theorem, like interactive thing, interactive dashboard, okay, comparative analysis. But what is the actually beneficial for you as a coach, for you as a business owner? What can actually help you? So let's see that. If I go in the data analytics, all right. So if you are running, suppose you are selling some kind of product for your course, your coaching program, and you got a lot of sales in your store, all right. From store, I mean the online store. I mean your online sales page on your backend. So if you have those reports, you can put your report on the Manas AI. It will generate you. If I look over here, right, just forgot about Amazon over here, but your own online sales portal where you get the sales, you can feed that data over here. It will generate the visualized, customized strategies, okay, proper report for you to see which product of your business is selling better, which is doing good, what you can sell more, how you can improve. So if you feed the data, if you give it report, it will give you the proper dashboard with their analysis where you can improve, what you can do, so that when you see things visually, you actually get a lot better idea on where you can improve. And this can actually give you the very interactive dashboard. And I will show you, for example, if I talk about an interactive dashboard, look over here. So this one is like it generate the price comparison thing. All right. So you can see, you can choose the price range. On the range of this, it will change this as well. So you see, I change the price range and data change over here. So once you feed the data, your report on the Manas AI, it can generate you interactive dashboard that will give you very detailed insights about your sales, about your product, about your business, that will help you to figure out the pieces which is not easily visible, but where you can actually improve. All right, that is just one example. There a lot can do. So another thing, okay, so this is kind of same thing, sales improvement strategies, it can help you with that. Now if you have like create the company organization chart, if you have the like you keep hiring new people, right, people come and go in your company, like you keep hiring. All right, so in that case, like you can create a proper structure. If you are redefining your organization structure, or if you wanted to make it more clear for your whole team, if you have a small team, for example, the entrepreneur team, or basically it's very helpful for coaches, those who have a small team. So in that case, this is very helpful to create the proper structure, proper chart that will look very useful, okay, for each of your team member to see the hierarchy, right. Then yeah, look over here, social media public opinion research. Okay, so even over here, what you can do, you can feed it your own social media profile. It will go on your profile, look over the performance, right, look over the your profile, how it is doing, what is the performance, how many views, interactions, reaches you are getting. And on the basis of that, it can help you to generate the report. It can help you to guide what you can do further. Well, this is one thing what I found more interesting about it. So this is also, look over this mobile internet traffic data analysis. You can put it your traffic, right, traffic list, like from where you are getting the traffic on your website, on your platform. All right, and it will help you to generate the report for that, so you can see where you actually feel. So for example, if you are in the ads for your business to promote your product or service, your webinar or whatever, Then you can feed the data. It will see what particular platform is actually getting you more traffic in what run, in what time frame, right? Which ad sets, which ad, which marketing campaign, which bring you the traffic from which particular platform. And then it will give you the most deeper insights. So what particular ads you can run for this mobile device, this device or laptop, right? So what time frame actually worked on this device. So in that way, you will get a very detailed data that will help you to scale further. Okay, it is very difficult to see all those detailed analysis when you just the numbers are written on the screen, right? It is not properly visualized, but this can actually create those dashboard for you, so you will see it more detailed way. Now, let me show you one more thing. If I go in the education, okay, yes, this one. So converting lecture recordings into notes. So I just open it over here. So here it gives the recording. So for example, you are a coach, right? You are recording the lectures for your customers. If you are a business owner, you are giving the training to your employees. You can record the whole thing, okay? And then you, if you spend time on like generating the notes, proper notes of those recording, it will take time. You can feed it in the Manas AI. Manas I will take that node using the coding in the backend and generate the proper detailed report. Okay, not just transcript of the recording. I'm not talking about the transcript. I'm talking about the complete detailed notes and proper notes with the proper charts or whatever if needed over there, whatever the diagram needed over there with proper explanation. So you can see over here, and this all generated by the Manas AI just based on the recording. So this is way too smart. If you look over there, these are thousands of things you can do. So once you get the access of this, Manasai can completely change your business, completely change uh, your coaching forever, right? You can get much ahead in comparison to other competitors out there. Okay. Now another use case. Let me show you. So yeah, if you have the interactive transform, like you wanted to create that transformer course, elegant design, interactive web pages, you can get the web page designs as well. All right. Let me also show you one more thing. Very beautiful. Screaming resume. Yep, here. So candidate, like if you wanted to hire more people, if you wanted to suppose you are running the hiring process, how you will do that? Like if there are like list of people. Recently in our company we did the hiring. So there were like, it takes time. It takes because you have to do the group meeting with them. You have to do the individual meetings. So there will be like list of different meetings. There will be the first meeting, then the second meeting, the third meeting with the different people in your company, right? So maybe one time your HR will do the meeting, then another time you will have your CEO will do the meeting. So depends on your company structure who is doing what, right? So for us, like it will be a big task because there will be a lot of people who applied for that job. Then we have to filter that. So there are 2 to 3 people in our company in the leadership position. They watch the videos, they watch the check their profile, the candidate profile. So it takes time, but what will be the best way to do that? So you can use Manas CI to prepare a proper interview schedule for your business, right? If you have, you can feed the data, whatever, how many people applied for you, who are the best candidate, and it will generate the proper schedule for you. Okay. If you want generate a contract, it can help you to generate a contract as well. Okay, another best thing is like, which is way amazing, is find potential customers. So for example, if you wanted to find the customers online, it can even find you the data of those customers. So for example, this is the B2B thing, right? But you can also try it with B2C for your business. So here it generate a report, the complete dashboard with, so 15 total companies, 8 is seed stage. Okay, so here you can see they generate list of all the companies. So for example, if you are selling some product or some service and providing to certain different kind of company, okay, it can list down all those company and you can contact those people. It is that good. Or it can create the whole list for you. If you are a B2C, if you are a coach, you are targeting the uh, normal people, the consumers, right? In that case, it can even find you that, even it can create the complete strategy how you can outreach, how you can find those people. So this is that great. And the best part, it generate the complete dashboard for you. And this dashboard will not like vanish. It will be there always. So you can use a dashboard and keep updating it by keep chatting and adding more people in it. So it is super amazing, right? Well, if you haven't register for this, go and try and register for this. All right. One more very beautiful thing is digital. Let me show you where it is. This podcast editing. So suppose you create the podcast, right? You can convert that podcast into 2 minute clips, 2 minute reels. I mean, wow, how it can do this? I mean, this is really cool, right? So when I saw it is really good. Being a coach, being a personal brand, if you have the personal brand, right, this is very helpful for you. Record those audio messages, record those video messages, record your podcast or trainings for your customers, training for your clients, and you can convert them into the reels that can be used for your social media, right? So similarly, there are a lot of different things that you can do, and one cool thing that that this created is this thing. Well, it's not useful for you, but just I wanted to show, like, you can imagine how level of things it can generate. So you see, it can even play this generated by the Manus AI, the whole website and this system, right? I can increase the mass of the ball and then pause and play, so it act in a different way. So it generate a complete system, complete dashboard, complete fully functioning website for you, fully functioning systems for you. All right, so there is a very huge list of things that you can do with this. First, I would say go and try register for this, right? Once you get the access, you can test it out. If you haven't got the access and you wanted to test it right now, you can go down and simply subscribe for it. Okay, so they have also include this subscription plan now. You can do that as well. All right, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I keep uploading the data, these videos where I show you how you can grow your business, how you can use AI in your business to save time, to make more money, to scale faster, right? And get more time so you can enjoy your life more. All right, so I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.